Mercury includes all the fasteners you need to mount the Avator 7.5e tiller outboard on your boat's transom. For safety and durability, it's important that you use the validated hardware that is included. Do not use the included fasteners to mount any other accessories on your boat. Before you begin, make sure your boat's transom is properly sized. You'll need a transom opening of at least 30 inches wide or 76.2 centimeters. The 7.5e Outboard's transom bracket will fit on transoms ranging from 1.75 to 2.5 inches thick, or 4.45 to 6.35 centimeters. A mounting template is also included with your outboard for easy marking and drilling the transom holes if holes are not already drilled. Do not use the mounting holes in the transom bracket as drilling guides, as this can cause damage. To complete the installation, first, measure and mark the center of the boat's transom. Then tape or hold the mounting template in place, making sure to align the centerline guide and the folded top of the template appropriately. Now, mark where the two lower holes in the boat's transom will be drilled. Use a 3/8 inch or 9 mm drill bit to drill the lower holes through the transom. Keep the drill bit perpendicular to the transom as you drill. Apply marine sealer to the shanks of the mounting bolts, being careful to keep the sealer off the bolt's threads. Remove the battery from the outboard and remove the outboard drive from the transom bracket. Set the transom bracket in place on the transom, making sure to align the holes in the bracket with the holes you drilled in the transom. Secure the bracket using the mounting bolts, tightened to 10 pound-feet or 13.6 Newton meters. Now, hand tighten the thumb screws on the inner part of the transom bracket. With the bracket now in place on the boat, connect the outboard to the quick-release receiver. Verify that the outboard's anti-ventilation plate is in line with the bottom of the boat, or within 1 inch or 25 millimeters. Once the sealant on your mounting bolts has cured, you're ready to take on new and exciting adventures with your Avator outboard. For more information on installation and setup, consult your operation, maintenance, and installation manual. And if you're not comfortable installing the outboard yourself, contact your local Mercury authorized dealer for support.